At Denbigh High, as they'll be returning to the Premier Rural Area Schoolboy Cricket Competition, the Headley Cup. In partnership with the Denbigh High, West Indies Cricket Development Academy has embarked on a multi-phase infrastructure project to construct 2 concrete cricket pitches surrounded by secure fencing. Chrisandre Stevens, acting sports coordinator at Denbigh High, expressed his excitement and also stressed the significance of the rebuilding of the facilities on the school ground.
This project is very beneficial to the students. They are very excited about the revamp of the program, and I'm sure that the pitches will greatly benefit them in regards to their preparation, especially their technical preparation.
Denbigh High School's principal, Annette Daly, says that with the rebuilding of the facilities, the students can have something to look forward to.
We are going to be having a few competitions here, internal competition and also external competition. So we're going to be utilizing the practice pitch to do that. And it is important that we have fun while doing it. So we will have some prizes and surprises for those competitions.
And for cricketer O'Dane Hill, he's grateful for the upgrade.
I feel very proud to know that people are doing their best to see that we do our best in cricket and to go far in cricket.
To date, 87% of the facility is complete, providing players with a safe, world-class playing surface that will raise both individual skills and overall team performance. Some football news now. Former Premier League champions Harbour View have turned to their 3rd coach this season. This as Lenworth Hyde has replaced Vassal Reynolds, who had joined the club in November 2025. Reynolds took charge of 9 games with the Stars of the East, winning 1 and losing 4, and that's 7 points of a possible 27. Reynolds' only win came against the Spanish Town Police, his first game in charge. Reynolds had replaced Beyond Thomas, who took charge at the start of the season. This is Hyde's 2nd stint with the club, after winning the title with them in 2010. His first assignment will be an away trip to Mount Pleasant FA on Sunday. Harbour View currently sit in the relegation zone with 15 points, 5 from safety.